and welcome to my channel Maria Marie. So yeah, you read the title and I'm very excited to share this with you guys that I bought myself my very own laptop. So now it's finally time for customization. I have never owned a laptop ever in my life. If you guys are following me for almost 8 months actually on YouTube, I had a PC, but that PC was not working properly, so I decided to invest in a new laptop. So yes, firstly I did get it from my own money, and I actually saved up for it for a very long period of time. Like I'd been saving up for it around a year, I guess. Also I used to take some classes earlier during quarantine. So now let's jump back into the clip when I knew that I'm gonna be buying a new laptop. Hey you guys, right now it's around like 11:30 and I'm trying to get a video up which is about what I got for my birthday, and by the time you're seeing this it is definitely gonna be up, so if you want you can check it out. I am gonna buy and gift myself a new laptop. I have kept like a few options. One of them is in Lenovo and one of them is an Asus laptop. This is gonna be like the last few days with my PC. Okay you guys, so as I told you guys about me getting a laptop yesterday, and it has arrived today. Okay, so let's do an unboxing. First reaction of me and you.
Maria.
So you guys, the actual footage was too chaotic, so I decided to sit down and shoot the unboxing for you guys. I don't know what exactly the model number is, so I'm gonna put it right down here so that you can know what exactly this model is. So we bought it from Amazon. We also got this laptop bag. So the very first thing we are gonna open up is this HDD kit, as it is written here. Yeah. It helps you to insert your hard disk and stuff. Okay, so this is the charger, and I was like so shocked that the charger is so cute and small, because normally laptop chargers are said to be big, huge chargers. Now let us move on to the main thing, that's the laptop. It's a one-touch open, so very fast. So this is gonna open up, and there's another thing which I was very surprised about, which is this fingerprint ID thing. So this is how my laptop is. I'm gonna link it down below from Amazon if you are interested in order to buy this.
As a spell, I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go on thinking about those secrets true.
Okay you guys, so now it's finally time for customization. Definitely there must be a lot of videos with customizing your Windows laptops, but there aren't a lot as compared to these MacBook ones. So I decided why not, customize my own and also show you how I do that. So this is how my laptop home screen looks like. I guess this is how it comes in every computer that you purchase. I have this simple hack which will help you in order to customize your Google screen. So here you can see there's this thing where you can customize, like for example this. So if suppose I want to do this, so this is how my screen will look like, but since I don't want this, I'm going to customize my own. So I'm going to go to BTS GIF HD wallpaper, the one that I want, and then I'm going to go and search some of them. Suppose I like this Euphoria one, so I'm going to go with this one, I guess, because it's too cute. So then I'm going to save image as, I'm going to go and I'm going to write .png. So now this GIF file or GIF file will now save itself as a PNG file. I'm gonna go to downloads. I'm gonna open it. It's so cute. Now since we have already transformed this, I really want to add a color and a theme as well. So maybe yellow, I feel, because I like the yellow. No, it does not matter. Okay, I'll go with the sky blue. Let's just click and see. Okay, yeah. So I think I'm gonna go with the sky blue theme because as you can see, it looks so cute and it matches with the aesthetic that I'm gonna go with. So I'm gonna go to Canva. And this is an amazing app for creating YouTube thumbnails, creating these background wallpapers and stuff. And I'm going to create like a collage, which I normally love to do. I'm going to go and open a new tab and I'm going to go to Pinterest. So I'm just going to go on to Pastel Blue and just type BTS maybe because I like them. So, oh wow. So here you can see there's a bunch of stuff.
Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
Okay, so I think I'm quite happy with this. So now I'm gonna press download.
Angel, that's for sure. With some devil, hear you roar, but I like it. We on the floor, in my ear, be whispering.
So yeah, so this is now how my desktop is looking like. It is so pretty as you can see. So you can go to your new tab and download Rainmeter. This app called Rainmeter, which I just found out like that while searching. And it's like a desktop customization tool. So you guys, I literally forgot to tell you what exactly Rainmeter is. So I pretty much didn't quite figure it out as well. So I was just playing around with it. You can actually customize a lot of things here. You can add time widget as well as you can add Google to your screen. So I just added the time and the Google widget, nothing else, and deleted every other thing. So yeah, you can also make notes here, which I have to still figure out. But yeah, it's a very good app, so you should try it. For my screensaver, I have this another hack which I found out on someone else's channel. So this is the app here, which is like the screensaver, which normally you have on these MacBooks and stuff. So this is how it looks like, and I really wanted to do and have this thing as well.
Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.
So you guys, as you can see, this is how my screensaver looks like. I am so happy because this is how it appears in every MacBook that you see, and now you have it in your own laptop as well.
Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
So I think I'm going to end the video here, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support would mean a lot, and I'll meet you very soon with another fun video. So bye bye.